What's that, Sat? This is the letter V, and it makes the V sound. Let's get learning. Hi everyone, it's Mr. Luqui and welcome to Learning with Luqui. Do you like my new vase I've bought to put my flowers in? It's really nice, isn't it? Oh, hi there! Ah! Whoa! That was close. Oops, sorry Mr. Luqui. That was a close one. I'm happy that you didn't drop your vase. Oh, I forgot. I'm here to teach today's sound. This is the letter V, and it makes the V sound. The V sound? To make the V sound, put your top teeth on your bottom lip and push out this loud sound. Listen to Mr. Luqui and see if you can make the V sound. Now you know how to say V. Wait, but how do we write the letter that makes the V sound?
To write your letter V, start in the middle, bring your pen down and then up. Let's have another go. And that's how you write the letter V.
Thank you for showing us how to write the letter that makes the V sound, Mrs. Luqui. Now it's challenge time. I'm going to show you 5 things, then you and everyone at home have to find all the things that begin with the V sound. Okay everyone, you know I'm going to need your help for this challenge. So let's find all those things beginning with V. Let's go! Let's see which things Sat has for us today. We have some vegetables, a plate, a violin, a volcano, and a tablet. I'm going to give you 10 seconds now to find all those things beginning with V. Let's see which things begin with V. Vegetables, violin, volcano. Awesome, we found everything beginning with V. Very good. Whoa, you passed my challenge. Now it's time to see if you can complete my reading challenge, which involves the V sound. I'm going to give you a word that has the V sound, and I want you to take your time to sound out the word and blend those sounds together. Oh, and remember those sound buttons are here to help you. And here's our first word. Remember everyone, let's use those sound buttons to help us sound out this word that has the V sound. Are you ready? Et. Et. I've got it! Have you got it? It says vet. Sat, it says vet. Whoa! Everyone, you all are amazing at sounding out. I hope you're ready for our next word. Good luck! And here's our second word. This looks like a 4-letter word. I hope you're ready. Est. Est. I've got it! It says vest. Sat, it says vest. Yeah! Well done everyone. You did a good job sounding out those words. But I've got to go now. Take care everyone, and I'll see you next time when we learn another new sound. Bye everyone! Bye Mr. Luqui! Bye Sat! Thank you so much, Sat, for teaching us all about the V sound. But I've got to go now too. So let's recap what we've learned today with Mrs. Luqui. And I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.
What sound did we learn today? This is the letter V and it makes the V sound. Can you all make that sound at home? Now listen out for the V sound in these words. Vulture, vines. Let's sound out this word together using the sounds we know. V, a, n, van. Remember, if you enjoyed today's video, click the like and subscribe button. Don't forget the notification bell so you can see more of Mr. Luqui learning his phonics. Now you know the V sound. Valiant!